What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronicles. I got the leftover butter pork I did the other day, smoked butter pork. But since I ate it, it occurred to me I left a couple ingredients out. Let me show you what those are. Okay. So we got the pan going, heat up. Yeah. Got some leftover rice too. It doesn't always have to be white. We're winging it, you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect, but here we go. I usually always forget this, which looks like this. Dried fenugreek leaves. And believe it or not, you guys, I usually forget this shit too. But it's in the title of the friggin' dish, right? How dumb can I be? Yup. Usually happens. Time to add it. There it is, you guys. Anyone else having allergies right now? Shit, man. Fucking sucks. I put a bitch of thyme in there too. So don't trip out. Okay, get there, you guys. We're almost done. I didn't do green onion last time either. Didn't have it. So cut some of that up. Got some cilantro, of course. Yeah. Oh, guys. Haven't done a mukbang in a while, so I'm gonna hook it up. There we go. Check it out. Yeah. Standard. But yeah. Just making it easy night. Or an easy night. Just making it an easy night. So that's why I was using leftover rice milk. I got one more of these in a couple days. And I'll probably, or I'll have to make my own fucking rice, yo. Allergies fucking suck. But I'm here to bring you a mukbang anyway, you know? Yeah, I put a lot of love into this. When I made it. Smoked pork, yams, which I've never done before. Turned out good. Of course, that pork turned out fucking awesome. Oh my god. You guys have no idea. 3 hours on the grill over here. Man. I don't know the exact time, but it was around 3 hours. For some pork. I think that's the first time I did that on my own on a grill. On the oven, you know. Turned out so good. Unbelievable, you guys. You gotta try this at home. If you got the time and the patience and the balls to do it, get on it. If you like good food, so amazing. So amazing. So the reason why I forgot those ingredients is because, I make this all from memory, and sometimes you forget shit. It's called butter chicken, butter pork, but sometimes you forget the butter. Not this time though, and the fenugreek leaves are up in the cupboard, so I forget about that. But I didn't this time, So fucking money. Takes about an hour, or the butter chicken part does, or butter pork, whatever you're using. Takes about an hour 15 minutes, and then the smoked pork, that shit took 3 hours. So up until the end of the time, I had it all going, all ready to go. Chopping to do, but always turns out fucking money, fucking so good. Unbelievable. Okay, check it out. Got some cilantro on there. The dogs are wanting some of this, or at least one is. The other one's staring at the yard right now. There's chickens out there. See them over there? Check out this backyard. Yeah. Fucking awesome living here. So cool. Keep it America. Red, white, and blue. Fucking awesome, dude. Yeah, what I was trying to say, this might take a while to make, but you get 3 or 4 meals out of it, or helpings, I mean. So you and your girl, you and your kids, whatever, you and your hubby, your boyfriend. You got this. It's so easy. Don't be afraid to do this. It's so fucking good. If you went to an Indian restaurant for one plate, that might not even fill you up, it's gonna be $15.95. No matter where you're at. If they have one there, which metropolitan areas tend to do, it's gonna be $15.95. But if you don't live in a metropolitan area and you live in the boonies and shit, I feel like I do, because I just moved out here like 9 months ago. But there's still action here. It used to be like nothing back 20 years ago. But the state fair is here, right down the street from here, like 3 miles. They got other shit going on during the year too, like coin shows and whatever, whatever burning grounds do to get that money throughout the year until the fair comes around again. But if you live somewhere rural and you don't have these places around you, this is how to make it. I don't, this one variation, I'm sure there's others, because I've tried others. But if you want the good shit, and I do this like once, at least every 2 weeks, then make it yourself. It's so friggin' easy. Unbelievably fucking good. Alright guys, time for me to go get some more. Thanks for coming back. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world. All that cringy YouTube crap. And I'll see you guys next time. Chronicles out. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Peace, mother.